Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2008 Yamaha XT250, and this will be a quick video on the clamp plate attachment for the KEMIMOTO Enduro rack. The clamp plate is an easy and affordable way to attach a milk crate to the rack for carrying cargo, but with a little imagination and ingenuity, it could be used to clamp all kinds of things to the rack. The clamp plate comes with all the hardware needed for installation, and the only tools required are a 4mm hex and a 10mm wrench. If you don't have an impact driver, you can use a regular 4mm hex wrench. There are links in the description for everything I used. The hardware includes a set of screws and wing nuts for quick installation, but there isn't enough clearance on this motorcycle to use them, so I used the other set of included hardware for a more permanent installation. Simply position the milk crate where you'd like it, and align the clamp plate with the corresponding holes in the center of the Enduro rack. I mounted mine right in the center. Now it's easy to carry groceries, extra fuel, tools, supplies, or just about anything that fits thanks to the KEMIMOTO Enduro rack and this simple attachment. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.